expect supernatural restoration of all that you may have lost in the course of the battle of life. It shall be so. It shall be so. He said, and I will restore to you under the later rain. I will restore to you under the end time anointing. I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten. The cankerworm and the caterpillar. You will eat in plenty and be satisfied and praise the name of the Lord. And my people shall never be ashamed. Your restoration is today. Every door the enemy has shut against you shall be reopened.